Hey everybody, it's Gabe Rivera Visuals. Today we're going to be taking these two images and then we're going to mesh them together and turn it into this image. So when I open these in Camera Raw, I don't adjust any settings, I just go straight in. So before we start doing color grading and all of that, we're going to want to mesh the images together. So you're just going to open them both and have them both in the same file. We're going to lower the opacity for this one. We're just going to try to match her up with the model. With herself. So let's try you should try to match up the background right there. The only reason I'm doing this is because my lens isn't able to capture all of the model that I want as well as all the background, so I just shoot multiple images and then mesh them together in post-processing. So now that we have them kind of aligned, we're gonna go over the background and just brush over it. I'm gonna raise the opacity to 100 so I can see what I'm doing. I think that looks already good. I don't really see anything that's a dead giveaway that there are two images here. So let's merge the layers. Let's do a little before, after, zoom out, before, after. Awesome. So now what I'm going to want to do is expand her dress. I'm going to just grab a stamp tool. Stamp down here like that. I think that looks good. I'm also going to want to expand her dress this way, so I'm going to duplicate the layer. I'm going to lower the opacity just a little bit. We're just going to move it like this, match it like around here, just click OK, and then we're going to brush everything that isn't this. So we're going to put a layer mask on it. With the black brush, just brush around. I'm gonna zoom in. Brush the outside like right here. Put the opacity to 100. And then we're just gonna fill in the dress. So let's zoom out, let's merge the layers, and do another before and after. So, before, after. I like how the dress takes up a lot of the screen, and we can see the sky as well. So what I'm going to do next is just bring out the eyes a little bit more. So I'm going to grab the stamp tool, I'm going to duplicate the little whites right here, put it like right there. Same with this. This doesn't work on every image, it really depends on the image. I'm going to do Control-Shift-N. This is going to be my dodge and burn. So we're going to put overlay, click fill with overlay neutral color. And then it's going to bring that up. We're going to grab our dodge tool. I put it like around 4 exposure. And then we're just going to brighten this area up. Brighten the eyelid right here just a little bit, under the eyebrows, maybe the nose. I'm gonna brighten the lips right here, and then let's see what it looks like. Definitely brings out more depth. We could even grab our burn tool and darken the eyebrows just a little bit. So what I'm going to do next is put a black and white filter on it. We're going to put that to luminosity. We're just going to use this to deepen the colors. Just bring the reds just a little bit to the left. The yellows. Darken the sky just a tiny bit. And there you go. That's how you get those two images, mesh them together. Just do a little bit of color grading. Let's look at it before and after with the colors. It's not too much of a difference. We're just deepening the colors. I like keeping the colors as natural as possible in certain portraits. So there you go. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, share this with anybody that is interested in photography or just editing photos. It's not too hard once you get the gist of it and you know what you want in the image. I got this image by grabbing her dress and then pulling it towards the lens, so that really helped. Here's just a little image from that shoot. That's me grabbing her dress. But thank you for watching, and I appreciate it. Bye.